I tell you, you all don't share my recording. I angry already. I don't want to record again. I very frustrated. Okay, so let's start. So I have 2 angles from the first round. Then second rotation, I have another 2. Let me do another 2 rotations because it's all the way until 6 pi. So there is another 2 more. So let me start. 2 pi, 4 pi, go on. So it's a 4 pi plus alpha. Fifth answer. You realize that you actually added another 2 pi to this? So based on my inference or whatever you call it, if I add 2 pi to this, I should get my next answer. So this will give me the next answer, 6 pi minus alpha. In the positive direction, every 2 pi will generate 2 answers. So I have 6 answers in all. Let me continue in the negative direction because it has go all the way to negative 3 pi. Okay? Come. Let's turn negative direction. Get rid of all this nonsense. I'm sorry, I don't want to record again. I'm very frustrated already. I'm going to kill myself for this. Okay, negative direction. So I go in negative direction. Negative 3 pi. So 1 cycle. Oops. Negative 3 pi. I will be doing negative pi, negative 2 pi, negative 3 pi. So this is the range that I'm looking at. Can see I have cut through quite a number of angles. Let me write them down. The negative angles will be in purple. Okay, negative angle number 1, coming in the negative direction. First answer, negative pi, negative alpha, no problem, got it. Second answer, let me continue. Negative direction, okay, I have to finish first. So I do a negative 2 pi and then I backtrack 1 alpha. So next answer would be, I take negative 2 pi and I backtrack 1 alpha. So negative 2 pi plus alpha, backtrack 1 alpha. Not done, still got. Because every pi will have 1 answer. Let me continue. I turn some more. Last one. Orange color. Negative direction. This is negative 2 pi. I continue into the 4th quadrant. So last answer, minus 2 pi minus alpha. So altogether, I have 9 answers. 3 of them going in negative direction. So after which, obviously, I put in my alpha and I divided it by 3. As I write my answers, I double confirm that they must be within the original range that was given to me. Okay, so I was telling the class the negative answers will by themselves be 1 mark. The first 1 mark is for your first pair of answers within 2 pi. This one needs to have a bit of digestion. Give it some try, then try 3B. It is a lot easier. So this reference angle is tangent inverse 1, which is 45 degrees, pi over 4. Must be in pi over 4. This is a minus 0.1. So I did the range in decimals to give me a rough idea of what numbers I am going to be looking at. So let's continue. My diagram is out. I draw a diagram with you. Diagram more important. Oops. Okay, I diagram more important. I draw a diagram with you. Okay, first quadrant and third quadrant because tangent is positive. Let's turn positive direction first. Always go positive. 1 answer, alpha. 2 answer, pi plus alpha. Can see? In blue. Don't have already because it's until 2 pi. Let's continue the other side. Negative direction is going to be negative pi, backtrack 1 alpha. Of course, you can go for another one and see if it's still within the range. Why don't I show you one more? If I go positive direction a little bit more, I show you one more. Positive direction, 2 pi plus a alpha. If I am right, this one should be out of range. Okay, then I add 1 to each of these numbers, give everything to 3 significant figures. Slowly digest this. This is the learning objective for today. Okay, don't want to record already. Got problem? You text me. Bye-bye.